Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Inside you'll find keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.